Okay, you can see the annoying warning on every startup. You can also go into vehicle status and check control. You see parking lot malfunction. Switch your lights here to notice it easier. Identify which side is not working. You can see this one is working and this one is not. You're gonna need this replacement. It's called 86W. You can find it on Amazon for 10 to 20 bucks. Make sure to turn the car off. Pop the hood. The left side was out, so we're gonna turn this thing counterclockwise to open it. Take the bulb off by turning it clockwise this time. It should pop off. Take the old bulb out, put in the replacement, and that's it. Put the bulb in first. It should pop in place and turn it clockwise. Put the lid back in and turn it clockwise until you hear the pop. You can see both sides are working now. No more warning lights, and check control will show all systems okay.